DJ Baby Blue Diamond.
What it's like for a nigga like me, living out his backpack every night, needed a new place to sleep. But this is now, nigga. One's for the money, two for the bitch ass, three to get ready cause I feel I finally did it, four's for the jealous rapper mad because he finished. Turn that motherfucker to a critic, man, I got so much shit up on my plate, dog. I was hanging on them corners late, pockets wasn't straight, bitch. I ain't gon' make it at this rate, dog. Know what I'm saying, nigga? Praying up to God, just hoping that he hear, nigga. I know the world got more problems and it's much bigger, but I figured I get some shit up off my chest. So all my niggas I would die for, load my pistol up, go out and war for. So all my niggas that'll never make it out the streets, fucking keep going hard, don't let them see you weak. To all my niggas first time stepping in the pen, read a book and exercise, keep your spirit in. To all my niggas that's gon' fuck around and die today, take our hats off, bow our heads and let us pray. Just wanna say, hey, bless my nigga, bless my nigga. Really think about it, could be worse, my nigga. Don't stress, my nigga. Yes, my nigga. We all blessed, my nigga. Stay blessed, my nigga. Bless my nigga. Really think about it, could be worse, my nigga. Don't stress, my nigga. Yes, my nigga. We all blessed, my nigga. Now how the fuck I'm supposed to say this? You see my nigga son lost his son while I'm here hugging on my daughter. I grip her hard on that, kiss on the head as I cry for a bit. Thinking of some shit to tell him, like, it'll be okay, you'll be straight, it'll be alright. And fuck that shit, whatever you need, yo, I got it, Whether it's money or putting in work, fuck it, then I'm right. You know what's up, and now a nigga couldn't stick around. Told myself move after y'all move that I'd be a fucking fool to be living by the street rules. Fuck police tattoos, that happens when you ditch anyway. But anyway, keep the faith, stay strong, bruh. Remain solid, bruh. Ball playing ball, cause it's the only way about it, bruh. A nigga proud of ya. Tell Floyd to enjoy his newborn seed, I have whatever it needs. We the last of a dime life, live life, smoke trees. See how far we come, but most I'm sorry for your son. Stay blessed, my nigga. Bless my nigga. Really think about it, could be worse, my nigga. Don't stress, my nigga. Yes, my nigga. We all blessed, my nigga. Stay blessed, my nigga. Bless my nigga. Really think about it, could be worse, my nigga. Don't stress, my nigga. Yes, my nigga. We all blessed, my nigga.
And you ain't gotta shed no tear. I'll be everywhere, but I'ma always be right here. I ain't forgot those years. I'll be everywhere, but I'ma always be right here. Living in a premature place. Wait, never grow to see the pearly gates. Break. Every time a bullet detonate. Dates. Bitch you up for obituary, carry crates of a scary picture with a family member that relate to your hinder. You was finna pin another case on your record in a stolen expedition. Play it safe as the record's hearing. You was hearing angels entertain. Every point intended that was wicked coming from your brain. Recognize you didn't and you didn't hit the block and aim. That's because the minute after you had need you would be slain. Open up a chapter in the book and read a game. Story of a gun clapper really trying to make a change. Everybody bless my nigga. Yes, my nigga, you're blessed. Take advantage, do your best, my nigga. You was dressed, you was granted everything inside this planet. Anything you imagine, you possess, my nigga. These niggas that neglect your respect for the progress of a baby step, my nigga. My nigga. 1, 2, skip, back, look both ways, pull it off the hip. Anybody say that you can't flip this crack into rap music? Every other zip is get cracked, get used to it, get it off quick, come back, give back to the city you built. Don't trip, see money, fuck niggas, dog. It ain't nothing but a bunch of fuck niggas. In a minute, everybody go be winning. Put a little faith in it, then recognize that we
bless my nigga, bless my nigga. Really think about it, could be worse, my nigga. Don't stress, my nigga. Yes, my nigga. We all blessed, my nigga. Stay blessed, my nigga. Bless my nigga. Really think about it, could be worse, my nigga. Don't stress, my nigga. Yes, my nigga. We all blessed, my nigga.